Noun. Everything that we see around us has a name. Be it be a person, place, animal or thing. All the naming words are called noun. Noun is a word that represents a person, place, animal or thing. We are surrounded by so many people. All of them have names such as teacher, mother, farmer, doctor, and many more. Some places around us are school, park, beach, zoo, etc. Animals also have names such as dog, lion, elephant, bear, and many more. Things we see have names too, like ball, toys, basket, mug, etc. Let's now identify nouns in the following sentences. The boy is riding a bicycle. Here, boy is the name of a person and bicycle is the name of a thing. So, boy and bicycle both are noun. The cat is on the mat. Here, cat is the name of an animal and mat is the name of a thing. So, cat and mat both are noun. The children are in school. Here, children is the name of group of people and school is the name of a place. So, children and school both are noun. Rohan has a pet dog. Here, Rohan is the name of a person and dog is the name of an animal. So, Rohan and dog both are noun. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.